Hi, in this video, I will go through the workbook 8.3 workbook 8.3. All right, the formula is here. Okay, what is A? A is the money in your bank account in the end of the period. P is the money in your account at the beginning of the period. And R is the annual interest. R is annual interest. T is how many years. And N is how many times the money, the interest is compound per year. Okay, so let's use the first one, question one, for example, 800 investment. So 800 is the initial money. So there will be P. This one will be P. That is earned 3%. Okay, be careful. This is annual interest is 3%. However, we need to write in decimal form. So 3%, you divide by 100, it should be 0.03. So R is 0.03. It's not 3, it's 0.03. It's 3% equal 0.03. So this will be your R. Compound yearly, that means the money compound once per year. So compound yearly means N equal 1. And for 4 years, T equals 4, right? So you plug in everything, look like this, and then you use your calculator and found the answer, right? So question number two, P, so this will be your P 1100, right? And then the R, annual interest 0.9%. You divide by 100. Divide by 100 to get a decimal form, which is R equal 0.009. This is your R. Okay. And then compound monthly. That means 12 times per year. 12 times per year. So N equal 12. And then 6 year. That means T is 6. Okay, so you plug in all the variables with the given information. You will get this and type in your calculator. You will get the result. Okay. All right, it's all the same. So semi-annually, that's every 6 months. Every 6 months is 2 times per year. So N equal 2. So this 2, right? And so this is slightly different. What is continuously? That means every single moment, every second, not only every day, it's every second, even every 0.1 second. So it's keep continuously. So you can plug in with a huge number. For example, daily will be 364. If you want to compound it every second, this is how many days in the year. And then you multiply how many seconds in one day. So this is if it's compounded every second. So this is big enough. So you can plug in. So what I mean is, if you see question is compounded continuously, your N, you can just choose a big number for your N. Approximate maybe 1,000 will be pretty enough. We have another formula for that, which is A equal P multiply E raised to power R times T. Okay, in this question, P will be 375. R is, don't forget to divide by 100. So it will be 0.0115. And T is 5 years. So here is 5. This is T. This, maybe I use a different color. So this is T, this is T is 5, and this is your R, and this is your P. What is E? Okay, E is a constant, just like a pi. We will say pi equals 3.14 something. E natural base is 2.71 something something something. If you really want to know what it is, the definition of E will be 1 plus x over n, 1 over x and to the power raised to power x. And when x approaching infinity, so you plug in a big number for x, and you can find the value of E. So let me do this on the calculator for you. So maybe let's say 1 plus 1 over, if my x is 10,000. Okay, and then raised to the power 10,000 is 2.71814597. So that's my E. Okay, and you don't have to remember this because there's a, so you press second and then the divide is E, right? And then you enter. It's almost, it's close enough, right? 2.718. Okay, it's on your calculator. All right. So the first top 4 questions. For question 5 to 8, okay, what are variables we have? We have P, we have amount, we have N, we have T. What else we have? We have annual interest R. Okay. For question 1 to 4, they give you the principal. How many times per year? How many years? The annual interest, and you need to find the total, the final money for that question, right? Found A for that. And for question 5 to 8, they give you a NTR. You have to find P, right? So we don't know the principal, the initial money you deposit in the bank, but we do know the interest rate. So this is 3.5%. So we plug in 0.035. It's compound annually, yearly. Yearly means n equal 1. And for 3 years, the t is 3. So you plug in all the, and then lastly, my goal is 700. Is I want my value in my bank account to reach 700 after 3 years, in 3 years. So how much money do I need to deposit initially? So find P. So you use this. Okay, so how do I solve this equation to solve for P? All right, you can use your calculator, found the value of this first. You found the value of this, not clear, maybe blue, this one first. And use 700 divide by this. Use 700 divide by this, and you will get P. Okay, so send us the second question. So if you want to find P, you use 900 divide by this bracket 1 plus 0.042 divided by 12, and then raise to the power 12 times 5, which is 60. And you should get the P, that's 730. All right. That's for question 5 to 8. And we are getting more and more difficult. For question 9, again, we have 5 variables, A, P, R, and T. For question 9 to 10 is much more difficult because we, okay, where it's not here, but it says they want their bank account to reach 2,000. So A is 2,000. And 1500 is the principal. Annual interest is 0.025, which is 2.5%. And the time we don't know. compound yearly, so n is 1. So we need to find t. Okay. This is a difficult equation if you don't know log yet, right? So how can I solve this? How can I find the value of t from this equation? All right, maybe I need to open a new. Okay, let's move to here. How do I solve this? First of all, I divide by 1500, 1500, both sides of the equation. So the left side you cross out, so become 1 plus 0.025, so that's 1.025 raised to the power t equals, there will be 20 over 15. Actually, it's 4/3. Okay. How do I solve this? You need your calculator. Okay, you can write two functions. The first function is y equal, make your t become x. So it's 1.025 to the power x. Second is y equal 4/3. So basically, first one is y equal the left-hand side of the equation. Second function is y equal your right-hand side of the equation. And then you will get two lines and find the intercept. So let me do this on the calculator. So the first one, clear, first one, okay. Y equal 1.20 0.025 raised to power x. Okay, I can get one line. And second, y2 equal, let me check, I forgot. 4/3, yeah, good, 4/3, 4/3. And then you graph. This is my first, okay. Well, then I need to use window to change my maximum. So maybe minimum from 0, maximum just 20, maybe 25. And y from 0 to maybe 20. I think that will be more clear. Oh, much better. But can I find the intercept? Well, still not a, so maybe I will set my range for y just from 0 to 4. Maybe it's more clear. Sorry, from 0 to 4. Okay, that's much better. So I need to find the intercept of these two lines. How to find it? Use traced. So use another. Actually, it's calc. So use second trace, and then intercept number 5. Choose this first curve, whatever. Second curve, maybe a red one, and then guess. So the intercept is here. It says x equal 11.65. Okay. So this is your t. So it's, if you round it to the first decimal, it will be 11.7. Okay, it's more difficult. However, if you do know the concept of log, right? So now we got a function 1.025 raised to the power t equal 4/3. if I convert this exponential form into logarithmic form, how can I do this? Log, the base is always the same. So your base still 1.025. And then of 4/3 equal t, which is your t. So if I can use calculator to find the value of this, I can find the t much faster. So I can use log. So go back, second, quit. Okay, go back to here. Use math. Scroll to log base. My base is 1.025 of what? Come back here. Of 4/3. 4/3. So 4/3. And then you enter. You got 11.65. Wow. That's really close to my answer. Okay. Yes, let's do one more example. Of course, we want you to know how to use log. So I prefer the second method. However, you still need to know the first method, but obviously second method is much easier and quick. Let's see one more example. Maybe question 11. So question 11. 1,000, that is your P, that is your principal. Your R is 5 divided by 100, that's 0.05. Compound quarterly, quarter is 1/4, 1 divided by 4. So 4 times per year and equal 4. That's from quarterly. T we don't know, amount, okay, they want to reach 2,000. So 1,000, 1 plus 0.05 divided by 4. 4t, 4 times t equal 2,000. So how do I solve this equation to find the value of t? First of all, I divide 1,000 both sides of the equation. Cross out. This becomes 1/2, 0.5. 1 plus 0.05. This divided by 4 equals 0.0125. Okay, 1 plus 0.0125 becomes 1.0125 raised to the power 4t equal 0.5. All right, so I will convert this exponential form into logarithmic form. The log, the base 1.0125 of 0.5 equal 4t. Okay, so let's use calculator. Again, math. Base is 1.0125 raised to the power 0.5 and then enter. Why? 0.5. It's negative. Oh no, I know. Wrong again. Why? Because it's not 1/2, it's 2. Oh, I got wrong. It's 2. Sorry. So if you 2 here, it's 2 here because 2,000 divided by 1,000 is 2. Okay, so here I'm wrong. Okay, come back. So I can copy this, right? I remember I can copy this? Okay. And then come back, change here, delete, become 2. All right. 55.79. So 55.79 equal 4t. So t is 55.79 divided by 4. So your answer divided by 4, 13.9. 13.9. Right? What is my answer? 13.9. Yay! Okay. I think the rest of the questions are all similar. Yeah, should not be too difficult. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck. 8.1 should be easy for you. All right. See you next time. Bye bye.